कैसा है? बुधवार और शनिवार को डॉक्टर अक्षय नाडकर ने कैंसर और इनफर्टिलिटी पेशेंट्स यानी वंध्यत्व निवारण के पेशेंट्स और कैंसर के पेशेंट्स के लिए 2 साल से जनता के लिए विजिट करते हैं बोईसर और पालघर सुबह 9 से 12 के बीच में।
So we are now at Palghar railway station and we are going to the first hospital. That's the Ozone High Tech Hospital. It is 8:15. फ्लाइंग रानी से हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं एंड अभी यहाँ से हम जाएंगे ओजोन हॉस्पिटल, वहाँ पेशेंट्स वेटिंग है, वो करके फिर धवले हॉस्पिटल नेक्स्ट, उसके बाद भरत हॉस्पिटल. सो दैट्स माय टीम, डॉक्टर प्रतीक एंड Ram is the male nurse who takes care of the chemotherapy. Pratik takes care of the onco patients and we are going to split ourselves and our another team, Nimesh and his team is operating in different gynec and surgical hospitals of Boisar as we speak. So see you soon.
This is Ozone High Tech Hospital, Palghar. Recently started. Ozone has a branch in Vasai as well, which is a successfully running multi-specialty. It is beautifully done in the interiors of Palghar. ये हॉस्पिटल में हर एक फैसिलिटी काफ़ी अच्छी दिखती हैं, मॉड्यूलर ओपीज हैं, विजिटिंग स्टाफ अच्छा है. सो हम यहाँ बेसिकली ओपीडीज और विजिट्स के लिए आते हैं और जो माइनर सर्जरीज यहाँ हो पाते हैं हम यहाँ पे और धवले हॉस्पिटल पे करते हैं. दिस इज एवरी वेडनेसडे डॉक्टर अक्षय नाडकर एट ओजोन हॉस्पिटल पालघर. Just done with Ozone Hospital. We have seen 2 patients and now we are heading to Dhavle Hospital.
Oh shit, here we go again.
क्या हो गया?
तो हवा कम हो गया है. Just 5 people sitting. अभी निकलो. हवा कम हो गया है and we are enjoying the weather here now. We are hungry and we might have a breakfast break now. Now we are at the Dhavle Memorial Trust Hospital. Now this is a very old hospital in Palghar. In 1980s it was made a beautiful hospital by multiple trustees of this amazing trust. They have a homeopathy college as well and there is a college, there are students, it's called the MLD Trust and they manage a complete college with training. Teachers are there, students are there, they have foreign students as well and it's a beautiful hospital which has multi-specialities. And we visit here because it's a trust hospital, so it's subsidized and it has modular OTs and beautiful setups. So all the poor patients of this area, we operate here and we are soon starting a chemotherapy ward at this place. So let's see what's it all about. We've already seen so many poor patients here in Dhavle Hospital. As we see that every patient has, we saw a tongue cancer, a kidney cancer, and in this case is a cervical cancer. So these patients are all guided in the right way to take the right falls because these people have also a lethargy to come to a city. They are scared that treatment will be very expensive. They are daily wage workers. They don't have money. They have Mukhyamantri Amrutam Yojana card or PMJY scheme card, but they don't have the knowledge. Our team at 21st Century trains them, teaches them and guides them to take the right treatment. So Nadkar Medical Foundation has this principle of training these people to take the right treatment at the right time. So prevention is better than cure. So one team aspect of Nadkar Medical Foundation gives lectures, gives this for cancer awareness program. And the second team tries to detect the cancer at an early stage. So today, if my team was not visiting Palghar, the same patients would be detected very late because the local doctors would not have detected it because of lack of facilities in the district. So here we are from Nadkarni Medical Foundation doing a charitable activity at a rural place in Maharashtra for detecting cancer at an early stage. So stay tuned.
Instead of 7 trips or 8 trips after the surgery, the patient just has to come for surgery once. Once he's discharged, rest of the treatment happens. So that's the advantage for these poor patients, where their resources, time, everything is saved. So now we are here at the last center of Boisar. Palghar is 16 kilometers from Boisar. Boisar is the industrial hub of this area. Palghar is the district headquarters. This is Varad Hospital, a beautiful hospital run by a physician called Saidas, and we visit here for last 2 years. And now we'll have lots of patients waiting here, and we'll cater to them. So this is the last lap, and 1 hour left for my train to go back. धवले हॉस्पिटल, परत हॉस्पिटल और ओजोन हॉस्पिटल 3 जगह पे हम लोग जाते हैं एंड यहाँ पे हम ओपीडी करते हैं, ड्रेसिंग्स करते हैं, ताकि आप जैसे पेशेंट्स को जो इंटीरियर्स में है उनको वापी तक आना ना पड़े। तो अगर वापी आप ऑपरेशन के लिए आए फिर भी फॉलोअप और ड्रेसिंग आपका सब कुछ टाके निकालने का काम, ये सब कुछ आपके घर के पास वरद हॉस्पिटल में या धवले ट्रस्ट हॉस्पिटल में हो जाएगा। सो बोईसर और पालघर की जनता के लिए ये एक अनोखा है जहाँ डॉक्टर आपके पास आ रहा है और आपको स्टे वापी तक आने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़े कैंसर और इनफर्टिलिटी पेशेंट्स के लिए। धन्यवाद।